Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade clam chowder. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including clams, potatoes, and bacon. Begin by rendering about 4 slices of bacon in a large pot until it's perfectly crispy. Remove the bacon and set it aside, leaving the delicious drippings in the pot. Next, add 1 cup of chopped onion and 2 stalks of diced celery to the pot, sautéing them until they become tender and fragrant. Now, let's build that rich, creamy foundation. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour into the pot with the sautéed vegetables, stirring constantly for about 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste. Slowly, and while whisking continuously, pour in 4 cups of clam juice or vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken slightly as you stir. This creates the perfect base for your chowder. It's time to bring in the stars of the show. Add 3 cups of diced potatoes to the simmering broth and cook them until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the potatoes are ready, gently stir in 2 cups of chopped clams and 2 cups of rich heavy cream. Heat through, but do not boil. Season generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme for that classic chowder flavor. Your delicious homemade clam chowder is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the hot, creamy chowder into individual bowls. Crumble the crispy bacon you set aside earlier over the top, and add a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and flavor. This hearty dish is perfect for a cozy evening. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.